Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Doing a quick simple video test with the LG G7 ThinQ. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Front facing cam 1080p. This morning, early morning vlog, early morning recap vlog, did the first video test using the rear cam 1080p 30 frames a second with the LG G7. If you haven't checked out that video, please go and do that. Let me know what you think of the quality of the visuals and the audio. Yeah, just good to know all that. I'm sure some of you are thinking about purchasing this device. I'm having a lot of fun with it right now. I'm still in the early stages of reviewing it. So I'm going to do my best to give you what you need. So for some of you, video is important. For some of you, it may not be. For some of you, maybe the audio quality, maybe the display, maybe just the performance and the functionality. Who knows what you're looking for, but whatever it is, I hope I can give it to you. If not, there's a lot of other YouTubers out there with this device that will give you bits and pieces of information about this device that I may not cover. So what you'll do, like a puzzle, is take all those bits and pieces and you'll connect them, and then you'll make a decision on whether you're going to pay $750 for this device or get a great deal like I did at T-Mobile, buy one get one free, where you don't even have to change your plan or add a line. Don't know how long that's going to go on for, so I would hurry up on that deal. For those of you with T-Mobile or jumping over to T-Mobile, Best Buy has a deal as well. You know, there's going to be a lot of different types of deals, so something that you'll want to look into and check out. But let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. How does this sound?
Are you hiding secrets from me? Is there more to this life that I can't see? What will I find out over?
And that's it. I'm here at the bank, and then I'm on my way home to chill and call it a day. But yeah, so far I am enjoying my experience with this device. You know, I think what really stands out right now is the speaker. It's amazing. It's a monster speaker. Wow, just wow. Performance, functionality, doing great. I'm receiving text messages. They're going in and out. No issues there. Haven't made any phone calls, but I'll be doing that as well. And checking on battery life. I'll be reporting that here in a day or two. And display is beautiful, bright. That boost option with the brightness, amazing. Amazing outdoors in the light. So yeah, speaker, the brightness, really sticking out. As far as and this may not be a negative for a lot of you, and it's kind of a little negative for me, but it's a really light device. It's just really tiny. I got a couple clear cases coming in today from Sperrin, which is going to add a little bulk and it's going to be a little more substantial in hand, but it's you know, for 6.1 inch display, you got a really you know, a lot of display in a little body, but it's just really light, and I wish it was a little bit heavier. So but the case will add some girth, some bulk to that, so that's a positive for me. So I have to, you know, that's why I like big devices. I don't mind like my Nexus 6, you know what I'm saying? Just big bulky devices. And these are great because you're not getting a lot of body, you're just getting that display. But I like having a little more body to my devices. But I love the form factor. It's a beautiful device. But again, that's just a preference. It's not a wrong or right. It's not a pro or con. It's just I would like a little more body to this device and a little more girth. So anyway, outside of that, just having a good time with it, and I'll just keep reviewing it, and you're going to let me know down below what you think. Peace. God bless. I'm out.